Hello everyone, so today we have a very often requested video. I'm with my good friend Georgia.
Hello.
We're in Tokyo at the moment and you guys have been like pestering the hell out of me to shoot with Georgia. If you guys know my work, I have shot with her so often, especially a couple of years ago before the whole corona thing happened. But today we are here in Harajuku and we're going to be going around to some of the concrete kind of vibey places and taking some casual street shots today. So hope you guys enjoy the photos. Make sure to check out Georgia. I'll link all of her socials, her YouTube and Instagram down in the description box below. But yeah, we'll head out and get some shots.
Yeah, let's go.
Go. Alright, let's walk down, try and find some light. What do you think about this? This is kind of nice with the light.
With the komorebi.
Yeah. Komorebi. What?
Komorebi. It's like the I don't know. What is komorebi in English?
Komorebi? Like lighting that comes through
the leaves. It kind of just like in splotches, sort of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a very specific Japanese word. Hello.
Oh, it's on wide now.
Yeah, I think that's alright. This shutter is like super quiet, by the way.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, no
Kind
dollar.
of cool.
Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans go pile up. I need peace to borrow. Get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Need the shaky and bravado. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't.
More like ocean rooftops around. It feels so much more.
Thing, yeah.
You get some good shots from it.
Like it makes all the difference. I think the angles are kind of cool.
I like how the two like sit there and like.
Like, oh, what is that?
When you're shooting.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Running around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless.
No? Not
So I
doing
got
it?
stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might
Quite a
blank
few,
it.
quite a few.
Don't like hanging, let's see family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bought and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club, I'm really chilling with my seed. I love my pop, he put me on, I'm really chilling with OGs.
I gotta remember not to use the viewfinder so that this thing can see what I'm doing. It's actually kind of cool because there's like blue in the background.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Trying to be here for a while and a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times and good wine. Good wine, good wine.
Oh, even like front end's nice as well. Yeah.
Streets get ugly, yeah, I seen it. Please believe me,
Ah,
I be
this
tough.
is so
Don't
much
like
better.
smoking
It's
less
the-
so long so I can
there's like
sip and
so
no
many
scuff,
lines
no
in the
grave
reflection
attention. Just to mention,
on
I be
top.
chilling in the good.
Nice.
Glass got empty, now I'm searching through my wallet for a $1 bill. It's change in my
It's like,
pocket. No, hit my girl, can you spot me? I just need
it's
a
like
little
from
low.
the
Out the house,
up-ish.
and I'm just vibing on the low. She said she on the way, but she gon' ride it right. Tryna be here for a while on a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times and good wine. Good
I'm
wine.
even close on that one.
Tryna be here for a while and a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times and good wine. Good
Let's
wine.
try this way. That's on the side. Yeah. This way, that's good. body against it, please. The background's kind of cool. There's like the wires, and then it falls dark, and it's really bright up here as well. It was like the down shots, like from ground.
Like pow.
Yeah, pow stance.
Oh, the blues. This is you. This is so you. Oh my god, yeah, I like that.
These are cool.
Big as my face.
It's huge. So we stopped to get donuts just to finish the day off. The sun's gone down, and I think we got a lot of good shots today, so we're gonna end it there. Thank you so much to Georgia for spending the afternoon with me. Please go check her out on Instagram and on YouTube. I'll see you guys next time. All right.
Bye.
Bye.